Yeah, it doesn't have to be right now, right? I mean, maybe the end of the month is good for me. Okay, cool.
Why are you making that face?
It's like a friend of a friend. Something like that. He wanted me to move his stuff in his mother's house and go way uptown. That was...
Oh, him like that? Like, why is that asking you?
Sort of.
Kind of sounds like a loser to me. I don't know.
I mean, you know, when you have a nice truck, everybody wants to use it. You know, I kind of like being used. You know?
Okay. Well, I know you said you like to swim, so I was thinking like maybe we can go to the beach this weekend.
Swim?
Yeah, you said you like to swim.
Oh, no, I lied about that.
Just lying?
Oh, hold on, I gotta go.
Okay, I'm gonna go get some tea.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Okay, I can do it. Alright. I'm gonna... Yeah, I think you like it.
What your mom want?
Oh, yeah, she just needed somebody to transfer money real quick, so...
Oh, like, I thought you said she was married. Why does she need you to pay her bills?
Oh, no, I lied about that. Hold on again. Oh, yeah. Take this. Yeah. Wait, how? I mean, I'm on a date right now. Alright, I can do it tomorrow. Okay, cool.
What was that? What was that about?
Oh yeah, that was my bro. He needed somebody to watch his daughter.
Like now, he wanted you to come to his house now?
I mean, he's what, young? He's like 5 months old, so...
They couldn't hire a babysitter?
You know, his parents is out, and him and the wife wanted to go out, you know, so...
That kind of sounds like a user.
Maybe, man.
A lot of your friends sounds like losers.
I mean, you know, now that we're together, you gotta get used to it, because, you know, they're gonna use you too.
I'm not used to being used. That's not my thing.
I mean, don't knock something until you try it. It could be really hot.
No, I think that's really stressful, and maybe you can just have a little tea list, and let's go enjoy ourselves. I'm not leaving.
Okay.
So no.
Beautiful.